It's ML with ML's Words of Wisdom from Wisconsin. And today's Snow is a show about snow. Growing up in Kenosha, Wisconsin, a foot of snow is like child's play. This is nothing. I'm going to go out and check on the neighbors, though. Make sure everybody is A-okay. All right, let's go. Okay, got my boots on and got my walking sticks. I'm going to need a special handy-dandy industrialized mode of transportation to ambulate over the snow or through the snow, whichever comes first. ML's snowshoes are here. These snowshoes, I'm not advocating one brand over the other. They're all good, but these are Chinooks. So you know they've got to be good. Up on everyone, since I'm ambulatory with my Chinook snowshoes, I was wondering if you needed anything. Oh, your kids? They're bored? They don't know what to do? I've got the perfect craft for them to do while they're stuck in the house. Just wait. I'm going lickety-split. I've got this paint by number kit. That the daughter started, and she needs to finish this little section over here, and I've got the paint pots. So maybe your kids want to work on it. Oh, you doing okay? You need anything? Okay, making a sandwich. You need the mayonnaise? Okay, just a minute. I've got some Miracle Whip. Will that do? No? I've just started using Miracle Whip on tomatoes. It's really good. It's really good. No, you want helmets. Okay, just a minute. Okay, I've got your helmets. Give this to you. You can return it later in the spring. Hey, neighbors, how you doing in this snow, yeah? Okay? Is there anything I can get for you? You know, I'm trying to help out.
Can we get some potato chips?
Potato chips. Yeah, I think I've got some handy. Just a minute. I'm going as fast as I can with these Chinook snowshoes on. Okay, neighbors, I've got your chips, okay? Here we go. Watch out, watch out.
Oh.
Here you go, here are your chips. It's enjoying that paint by number. They're missing paint pot number 24. Maybe I dropped it in the snow. Hey, I'll retrace my snowshoe steps and I'll look for it. Okay, going. ML's gonna save the day. Just tell him use number 23.
What's up, ML?
Hey, there he goes. Have fun, neighbor.
Yeah, I will.
Woo! Don't jump at the shark like the Fonz did. Now I can enjoy this beautiful natural winter wonderland and go for a walk with my snowshoes. Here we go. Whoops. The snow is really deep. Really deep. Wow!
Are you just being silly, or you
Yeah,
alright?
I'm taking my show. My
Oh,
ML's Words of Wisdom on the YouTube. I'm okay. I've only got one snowshoe on, but I'm